the women's movement. Why do you think that happened so late, and why do you think it was successful without violence?
Well, first, we really need to stop a minute and think about the amazing change that the feminist revolution has done over the last century. For thousands of years, all over the world, different religions, cultures, political systems, and one thing is constant, which is the subjugation and oppression of women. It's the patriarchal system. To the degree that many people thought that this is just natural and eternal. It's just the way things are, nothing can change it. And then within a relatively short time, historically speaking, of a century or two, and with very, very little violence, a tremendous change has happened. And we don't really understand how to account for it. As scientists, as scholars, as historians, we find it difficult to explain the patriarchal system in the first place. Many people think that there are obvious answers to the question why in almost all large-scale human societies women had a much lower legal and political and economic status than men. And actually, we don't have a good theory.
Oh, I have one.
I'm very
I don't know
happy
if
to
it's
hear.
good. Well, it seems like it balances out the biological, but the fact that we're like the center of creation, you're the means of reproduction. So to control the means of reproduction, you have to have some sort of balance on that, right?
No, now lots of people have this very simplistic notion that men are simply stronger physically. But actually, this is a very problematic theory, because when you look at human societies, there is no consistent match between physical strength and social and political power. The Pope is not the strongest Catholic around. It's not like